Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2017 Acura NSX, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their FORZA Motorsport series. So this is number 2 in this series. So let's open it and see how it looks. So I really don't want to damage the card, so let me just try to cut it out. Okay, yeah, here it is. So here is the closer look. So the paint job looks really nice. So let's see if we can able to see the interior. So that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.